How to sign and put date on PDF documents. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use the signature features in PDF Adobe Reader. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me start with the video. So here you can see I have already insert this signature with date and time. Okay, so how you can do this? Just go to the preference and go to the menu, and here you can see go to the preference here. Okay, and under the signature you need to go click on signature here, and first we need to create identities and trusted certificate. Okay, go to the more, and you can see I have already created this ID, so I just remove it. Need to put password here. Okay, so just go to the digital ID and click on this new one. Click on this new digital ID, create. Next, here you need to put your name, your organization, you need your organization name, email ID, and other thing. And just click on next. You need to insert your password. This password will be used when you put your digital signature in any documents. Okay, so ID has been created. Now we need to create the preference. Preference means we need to create the signature. Just go to the menu again, go to the preference, same, go to the signature, and here you can see preference. Digital signature. Okay, just click here. So it is appearance. You need to go in new. I have already created this, so I just delete it. Go to the new, and here you need to give the title of this signature, and here you need to click on this import graphic, go to the file, go to the browse, and you need the signature in PDF format. Okay, so you can simply click the photo of your signature. First sign on blank page, then you can just click the photo from your mobile phone, then send this PDF JPG or image format in your computer. Then you need to just convert your image format to PDF format. Okay, after you convert, you will get this PDF format. Just select that signature. The signature will be inserted here. Just click OK. Now here you can see configure text. So here if you want date, then you need to click on date. Name, if you want location, you can put the location. If you want a company logo, just put the logo. Here you can see the labels. Okay, you need to click on this label. The location also you can put the Adobe version and distinguish it on name. Okay, so I just untick this one. I just keep name, location, date. This is my digital ID. Click OK, OK, and then OK. Now just open the document from here where you want to put the signature. Now we need to click on this option called this option, use a certificate. Now go to the digital signature, just click OK. Now just select the area where you want to put the signature. Just select that digital ID. Okay, so you can see you can get the name, date, and time also. Select that signature here, and just you need to put the password. Okay, you can now you need to save this signed PDF in your device. If you want, the signature will be inserted here. Okay, so that is how you can put the signature sign with date in Adobe, with Adobe Acrobat. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.